Are you ready to transform your kitchen into a cozy autumn oasis? As the leaves change color and the air gets crisp, the perfect time to bring that warm, inviting fall vibe into the heart of your home. Whether you love rustic charm, modern elegance, or a blend of both, I've got some amazing ideas to help you create a fall kitchen that you'll love spending time in. So, let's dive into the top fall kitchen decor ideas that will make your kitchen the coziest spot in your home this season. What are some must-have fall colors for kitchen decor? Answer: choosing the right color palette is key to setting the perfect fall vibe in your kitchen. Here are 3 must-have colors to consider. 1. Warm earthy tones. Think burnt orange, deep reds, and golden yellows. These colors naturally evoke the warmth and richness of autumn. 2. Muted neutrals. Shades like beige, taupe, and soft browns can complement the bolder fall colors, providing a balanced and calming backdrop. 3. Rich greens and dark blues. These colors add depth and a touch of modern elegance while still feeling cozy and seasonal. If you found these color tips helpful, don't forget to like and share this video to inspire others. You too. How can you incorporate natural elements into your fall kitchen decor? Answer: bringing the outdoors in is a great way to celebrate the season and add a touch of nature to your kitchen. Here's how. 1. Decorative gourds and pumpkin. Place them on countertops, shelves, or as part of a centerpiece. They're classic fall decor items that instantly add a festive feel. 2. Dried flowers and foliage. Create arrangements using dried wheat, eucalyptus, or autumn leaves. These add texture and warmth without overwhelming the space. 3. Wooden accent. Incorporate cutting boards, trays, or bowls made from natural wood. They add an organic touch and enhance the rustic autumn vibe. CTA, comment below on how you plan to use natural elements in your fall kitchen decor. What are some creative ways to style your kitchen shelves for fall? Answer: open shelving provides a fantastic opportunity to showcase your fall decor in a creative way. Here are some ideas. 1. Mix and match fall-themed dinnerware. Display plates and mugs in fall colors or with autumn motifs. This not only looks beautiful, but also makes these items easily accessible. 2. Incorporate seasonal textures. Add woven baskets, linen napkins, or ceramic containers to your shelves. These textures bring warmth and interest to your display. 3. Personalize with small decorative items. Include small pumpkins, candles, or framed fall quotes. These little touches make your kitchen feel cozy and personalized. CTA, if you're looking for more kid decor ideas, check out the description for a playlist with similar videos. How can you use lighting to enhance the fall ambiance in your kitchen? Answer: lighting plays a crucial role in creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Here are 3 tips to consider. 1. Add warm-toned bulbs. Swap out your regular bulbs for ones with a warmer hue. This simple change can make your kitchen feel instantly cozier. 2. Incorporate string lights. Drape them along shelves or above windows to create a soft ambient glow, perfect for the season. 3. Use candles. Place scented candles on your countertops or dining table. Scents like cinnamon, pumpkin spice, or apple can enhance the fall feeling even more. CTA, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more seasonal decor tips and ideas. What fall-themed kitchen textiles can you incorporate for a cozy touch? Answer: textiles are an easy way to add a cozy, seasonal touch to your kitchen decor. Here's what you can do. 1. Swap out kitchen towels. Look for towels with fall patterns like leaves, pumpkins, or in autumnal colors. They're both functional and decorative. 2. Add a fall-themed rug. A rug with a fall design or in warm, earthy tones can make your kitchen feel more inviting and comfortable underfoot. 3. Use fall-themed table linens. Tablecloths, placemats, or napkins in seasonal colors and patterns can transform your dining area into a fall oasis. CTA, if you love these ideas, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. How can you set up a fall-themed coffee or hot cocoa station in your kitchen? Answer: a fall-themed beverage station is a fun and practical way to bring seasonal cheer into your kitchen. Here's how you can set one up. 1. Choose a cozy corner. Find a spot in your kitchen where you can arrange mugs, coffee maker, and your favorite fall beverages like pumpkin spice coffee or hot cocoa. 2. Add fall accents. Include items like cinnamon sticks, mini pumpkins, or a fall-scented candle. These small touches will make your station feel festive. 3. Incorporate seasonal mugs and containers. Use mugs with fall designs and containers for sugar, tea, or coffee that fit the autumn theme. CTA? Want to see more ideas like this? Check the description for more similar videos. So there you have it. This creative and cozy ways to decorate your kitchen for fall. From simple touches to DIY projects and everything in between, these ideas will help you bring the warmth and beauty of autumn into the heart of your home. Remember, the best decor is the kind that makes you feel good every time you step into your kitchen. So have fun with it and make it your own.